I'm trying to film an intro here, guys. Can this focus on my face? Ah, figuring out how to work the camera. Day one. Good afternoon, everyone. It's currently 1 o'clock in the afternoon on a Monday. It is week 1, technically, of us having online courses. People's exams are canceled, people's exams are delayed, our classes are online. Anyways, we just figured it'd be fun to kind of film what our life is like amidst this quarantine. And plans for today, we did some studying in the morning. I tried to complete some of my online courses or online videos. It took a while though, because it took a while. I was getting very distracted. My quote-unquote roommate.
Why quote unquote?
Yeah, why quote unquote?
Real roommate.
She's not a roommate.
My roommate, as you can see, has been playing on her Switch.
I studied.
And she studied. Plans for today. I still have some more content to go over, so I'm gonna do that. And then we decided that week 1 would be our baking week. So we're gonna try to do a baking kind of segment every single day. Today, what's on the menu is oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. I'm very excited for those. The recipe called for 3.5 dozen cookies though. So we're gonna try to cut it down a little bit because there's only us and then our other roommate who's downstairs and our building mate.
Building mate.
Yes. But yeah, just I guess comments, any other video content that you guys would like to see. We were thinking we'd kind of have a theme every week, so this week is gonna be baking week. I'm not gonna tell you what's sort of in store for you guys because it'll be a surprise. And then next week we think we are gonna do some cooking, so maybe we'll see. If you guys have any recipes to recommend, just comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yeah. All right. See you in a bit.
Oh, yeah.
We had some technical difficulties. We could not figure out there was something wrong with my camera, and then we realized I just did not have a large enough SD card.
That cookie recipe.
We are back with our Chewy chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. Yes. All right, let's read this.
Okay.
So we need 1 cup of butter. You got the butter?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. First step, hand washing.
Oh no! My clean floor. Straying from the recipe once again.
Oh, me? Oh, wait, hold on. Get at the ring too.
Where are you going?
Get at the ring too.
Oh, wait, whoa! Did you get it? Sorry, I was not watching.
Did it catch it on camera?
I don't know.
Oh, look at this focus.
Oh yeah, there we go. That is the way to go.
Ooh, look at this nice focus. Like helping be like your light. come stand front and center, like. It's funny.
Okay.
Wow.
Cookie of choice.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. I'm surprised. Wow. Oh, she's burnt to the bottom. Don't turn it there.
Alright, so now that we finished making our cookies, we wanted to give them as a present to our friend Kenjamin, if you can read the tiny letter there. We wrote him like a nice cute little note. He lives in our building, so we're just going to drop them off in front of his door. I think he said he's currently outside right now, so hopefully he'll see them when he comes back. If not, there might be some squished cookies in front of his door in the near future. Alright, well, let's go on this adventure!
Left the bathroom light on. In our dying times, he is still not thinking about the environment. The lighting is like so bad.
Oh my god. Hi! I'm just doing the dishes. You feel free to critique my dish cleaning skills. Good morning. It is day 2 of group quarantine. I've been told I can't say social quarantine or isolation.
Day 2 of quarantine diaries.
Yeah, day 2 of quarantine diaries, because I can't say social isolation because I'm not alone, because I have 2 roommates, which I'm very thankful for, because if I didn't have them I would be so much more sad and alone. Janie and I are getting ready to head out for some groceries, and she has to return some things to work basically and pick up some things. We're gonna make sure to bring lots of hand sanitizer, some Lysol wipes. We're just basically gonna grab the necessities and some things that we need for baking, and hopefully we won't need to be outside for the rest of the week. Fingers crossed for that. And yeah, enjoy our vlog of the day then. And I've already filmed some things of me in class in the morning while Janie plays Animal Crossing, as per usual.
Another day.
Yeah. Yeah, so I guess see you in a bit. Hello! We just got back from grocery shopping. Janie is doing something. Taking out her phone. There was not that many people on the streets, which was good. And then we went to Walmart. Walmart is really great. It like taped down the aisles, and it has like basically one-way signs, so to avoid traffic. Here's our haul. There's a lot of groceries, so enjoy watching us unpack. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Still the same video. So now it's Tuesday afternoon. John has just, shout out to you, John, has just sent me this link to a new game on my phone that I can download. I think it's called like a list something. So basically you get a category, you write down words, and then you get different points for different word difficulties. Like for Halloween, werewolf is a level 3, whereas
vending machine.
Ooh. I guess like longer, more complicated words are worth more. But anyways, it's like basically you match up against someone else. Yeah. Team effort, we won. Alright, so we got an Avengers thing against John. He won the other one, by the way. But John, wait, he's Miss America, Mr. What is going on, John?
John, you should come over after this whole social distancing thing and have a Marvel movie marathon with us.
For sure. So now that we've had a really long study session, it's time to start baking for today. Today's dish of the day is going to be apple crumble. So I'm gonna go and grab some things that we need from Ken, and then Janie's gonna set up while I'm gone. So yeah, here we go. Get excited. I don't know where Angela put the rolled oats.
Angela.
I'm trying to give like some reactions of me mixing, like.
Maybe you could reserve the camera. Battery and such. Apples. Ah! They're falling. There's too many.
Louise, what are you making for dinner?
I don't think it's actually curry, but it's yeah, let's just call it curry, sure.
What makes it so different from curry?
I didn't read the packaging.
Okay.
The package doesn't say curry explicitly.
Uh-huh. Which packaging? Oh, sorry. Oh, I see what you mean. Japanese rich brown stew mix. Tasty brown stew. This makeshift exercise. Oh, and our apple crumble that doesn't look very appetizing, but tastes very good, I assure you.